Hello everyone, I am Gunjan Prajapati. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about prenatal development, which is a very first stage of development. What is prenatal development? Prenatal development, also called as antenatal development. It is the time between conception to birth. Prenatal development basically refers to the process in which a baby develops from a single cell after conception. It is the process of growth and development within the womb. This period is generally divided into three stages: the germinal stage, the embryonic stage, the fetal stage. Let us talk about these periods of development. First, I will talk about the germinal stages. In first trimester, during first week, the one-cell zygote multiplies and forms a blastocyst. In second week, the blastocyst burrows into the uterine lining. Structures that feed and protect the developing organism begins to form: amnion, chorion, yolk sac, placenta, and umbilical cord. The next stage is the embryonic stage. In first trimester, during 3 to 4 weeks, a primitive brain and spinal cord appear. Heart, muscle, ribs, backbone, and digestive tract begins to develop at this period. In 5th to 8th week, many external body structures like face, arms, legs, toes, fingers, and internal organs form. Production of neuron begins, occurring at an astounding pace. The sense of touch emerges and the embryo can move. Next stage is the fetal stage. In first trimester, during 9 to 12 weeks, rapid increase in size begins. Nervous system, organs, and muscles become organized and connected, and new behavioral capacities like kicking, thumb sucking, mouth opening, and rehearsal of breathing appear. External genitals are well formed and fetus's sex is evident. In second trimester, during 13th to 24 week, the fetus continues to enlarge rapidly. In middle of this period, the mother can feel fetal movements. Most of the brain's neurons are in place by 24 weeks. Eyes are sensitive to light and the fetus reacts to sound. In third trimester, during 25th to 38th week, the fetus has a good chance of survival if born during this time. Size increases, lungs mature, rapid brain development causes sensory and behavioral capacities to expand. In the middle of this period, a layer of fat is added under the skin. Antibodies are transmitted from mother to fetus to protect against diseases. Most fetuses rotate into an upside down position in preparation for birth. Okay everyone, that's all for prenatal development. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment.